Good morning. Thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to be scuba diving down in Milwaukee. We're going to be diving one of the shipwrecks down there. The wreck in particular is the Milwaukee car ferry. I actually have a family personal connection to this wreck through my grandma, who is a historian of the subject. My great 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 uncle, whose name was Frank Welter, was actually on this ferry when it went down. Unfortunately, he died with many others, but it was something that was really cool to hear from my grandma. So, being a diver, I've been wanting to dive this wreck for many years, and today we're going to have the opportunity. So, Frank, in relation to you, is
my great uncle.
your great uncle. Okay. And you said he was like a World War One
World War One.
veteran?
Yes,
Okay.
he was a horse soldier.
Okay, like cavalry?
Yes,
or-
but
yeah,
on a horse. Yes.
On a horse? Okay.
Yes, and he was born in Germany, so they came to America. World War One came, and he joined the army. So he was wounded, so they sent him back home. So he came back to Bayview, Wisconsin. I was 1 year old. They went on this lake. Lake Michigan is a violent lake when it gets mad. So, but they were told not to leave the Milwaukee Harbor by the Coast Guard, and the captain didn't listen. He went out and they got as far as Whitefish Bay, and they decided maybe this was a little bit too rough. So they decided to turn around, and it was very heavy because there are boxcars in the bottom of the ship, and it couldn't make the turn. And some of the boxcars moved, and there was a little damage done down there to the bottom of the boat where they're stored, and it couldn't make it, and it went down.
Okay.
All hands went.
Yeah. All right, we're heading out. Weather's supposed to be really good. All right, so we made it to the wreck site. We just tied off to the buoy here. Weather is beautiful right now, and it's going to be beautiful the rest of the day, so we're really excited to get diving. This wreck in particular, it sits between 90 and 120-ish feet. When we go down the mooring line, it's going to be about 90 feet at the deck, and then if we went all the way to the sand, it sounds like it's going to be about like 120-ish. So we have our dive plan set. We're going to be going down. Hopefully we're going to jump over. There's a pilot house, which is just off of the wreck. So we're going to check that out and kind of check out the east side. And when we need to turn around, when our time's up, we're going to turn around and come back up. But we are excited and ready to go. All right, so this is day 2 of diving the Milwaukee car ferry wreck. We are here 3 days later. Schedule's worked out for us, so we are really excited to get back out there and dive. Initially on that first dive, we wanted to dive and go over to the pilot house, which is sitting just outside the wreck. Initially, when we went down, visibility was really not that good. We thought that we were going to be able to see the pilot house, and we kind of ventured a little bit off, but we couldn't see it, so we decided just to stay on the main wreck. Visibility ended up turning out to be really good as we started diving more. So today we're really hoping that we can get over that pilot house, get some good shots, and explore some more of this wreck.
It's good to remember someone from that many years ago. I mean, he's not a forgotten man. We have discovered him.
Yeah.
We have discovered family. So it makes me feel good.
Yeah. Yeah.
So.
Awesome. All right. That's
Yeah.
it. That's all I need.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey,
Very
thanks,
good.
Grandma. Yeah. All right,
Oh my
love you.
God, you're a genius.